this part of web safety, what we end up talking about is how easy it is for the parent to go in and to be able to set things up on a child's computer and on their cell phone. So let's take a look. Over here on the left-hand side of the screen, we have the laptop. And you're going to enter in the different private information that you don't want your children giving out to anybody else. The address, where they go to school, their social security number, phone numbers. Then you click down to protection from. You don't want them to be talking to their friends about suicide, guns, drugs, sending pictures back and forward, sexting, that type of thing. So just check the appropriate box and that will take place and you'll get the alerts for that. The safe contact list. Who's it okay for them to be talking to? We then go over to the settings area. Filter control, a pornography filter, turning it on and off. And then the age of the child. Obviously, the lower the age, the higher the filter. Any particular websites that you want to ban, any ones that it's okay for them to go into if they're older children and they need to be looking things up for science classes or other types of projects, they might have to go into certain ones, so you don't want it so that it blocks them from everything. And then some type of a block message or have it go to a blank page so that they know they shouldn't be looking at that particular site. You can then also go in and find out the top sites that they visited, any of the particular blocked websites that you had programmed in, the different programs that they've been using. You're able to go back in, scroll down, and look and say what they were in. And then also the last 50 visited websites. You also get your smart alerts so that you know what happened and what time and what day that those alerts came through to your cell phone. Over onto the phone side, very simple to set up a child's phone. You just put in a child's name, the phone number, the ESN number off of the phone, usually found behind the battery, and then any safe contact numbers or block numbers, you would just type them in and hit add or hit minus if you want to take it away. Similar to the PC, you've also got your features to set up. You want to block pornography and other things, so you turn on the internet filter. How about no texting and driving, the #1 killer of teens now, surpassing drunk driving? You don't want them to be able to do that when they're in a vehicle doing over 10 miles an hour, so check no texting while driving. In a speed alert, set the appropriate speed, anywhere from 65 to 90, and you as a parent will get an alert if they're in a vehicle doing over that speed. Monitoring the different text messages, similar to what you were monitoring when they were in their computer and in the chat room, for sexting, pedophiling, cyberbullying, suicide talk, gun talk, and drug talk. So that's how easy it is to end up as a parent to go in and change the different things on the cell phone and on the computers.